In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reports in QuickBooks Online, focusing specifically on understanding summary, detail, and list reports. Whether you're an experienced user or just getting started with QuickBooks, reports are essential tools to help you gain insights into your business's financial health. So, let's dive in and explore how you can effectively use these reports. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Reports section. To do this, look to the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and you'll see a tab labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to a variety of powerful reporting tools designed to help you make informed financial decisions. Once you're in the Reports section, head over to the Standard Reports tab. Here, you'll find a wide array of commonly used reports that QuickBooks has already organized for you. Each report is categorized based on its use case, making it easy to locate the specific information you need, whether it's sales, expenses, product reports, or anything else pertinent to your business. Now, let's take a look at running a report. Simply click on the type of report you're interested in, and QuickBooks will automatically generate a detailed report based on the data you've entered into your system. This feature is incredibly useful, as it allows you to quickly access vital information without the need for complex configurations or setups. Once your report is created, you'll want to make it as relevant and useful as possible. This is where customization comes into play. At the top of the generated report, you'll notice a variety of tools designed to help you tailor the report to your specific needs. For example, you might want to change the date range to focus on a particular period. This can offer valuable insights into trends over time, such as quarterly sales performance or year-over-year growth. Additionally, you have the option to add or remove columns in your report. If there are specific data points that are more relevant to your analysis, make sure to include them to present a clearer picture of your financial situation. Similarly, if certain columns aren't useful, removing them can simplify your reports and make them more digestible. Another powerful customization feature is the ability to create groupings for your data. Depending on your business needs, you might organize reports by customer, product, or location. This helps in pinpointing areas that are performing well and identifying those that might require attention. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can leverage QuickBooks Online's reporting features to better understand your business's financial landscape. By running, customizing, and analyzing these reports, you empower yourself with the information necessary to make strategic and informed decisions. Thanks for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping.